While a YouTuber was scuba diving looking for treasure at Waterfall State Park in Tennessee, he came across a missing GoPro that once belonged to a man who drowned. He went through the videos on the GoPro and realized that he had found the GoPro that contained this man's final moments before he tragically drowned in 2017. Welcome back to InformOverload, where we overload you with information. I'm Charlotte Dobre. Hit that sub button and the bell so you never miss one of our videos, and follow the IO team on Instagram and Twitter because we love to interact with you guys outside of YouTube. This next one is a sad story that ended up having a sort of happy ending. Richard Raglan was from Georgia, and he tragically lost his life in 2017 after drowning at Waterfall State Park in Tennessee. It was just a few days before his 23rd birthday. According to initial reports, he was taking photos and videos with his GoPro with his friends when he was pulled underwater and never resurfaced. His body was eventually pulled from the water, but first responders were unable to revive him. Since then, his parents, Robin and Gary McGeer, have wondered what happened in the moments before their son's death. They knew that he loved taking videos with his GoPro, but it was never found. They had some hope a couple months after Richard lost his life when they received mail from park rangers that they thought was a thumb drive containing videos of their son. But when they opened the package, it seemed that someone had stolen the thumb drive. Fast forward to 2019, YouTuber Rich Aloha, who has 1.4 thousand subscribers on YouTube, was scuba diving at the park looking for treasure. He was aware of Richard Raglan's story when he visited the falls. While he was scanning the bottom of the lake, he found a GoPro buried in the sand. So this is a GoPro we're talking about. Even though it was submerged for 2 years, and even though the screen was cracked, it had a working memory card, and it was filled with videos. As he looked through them, he saw a young African-American male, and he knew immediately that this was Richard Raglan's lost GoPro. Rich then Googled the story and managed to track down Richard's family and sent the missing GoPro to his parents. Robin McGeer and her husband are very grateful to Rich for finding the GoPro and returning it to them. They told WSB-TV for him to go through his efforts to do his research, make numerous phone calls. He didn't give up until he got in touch with us, and that means the world to us. Rich Aloha also told WSB-TV, "I was going through the footage and I said, oh my god, this is the guy. I'm glad I found it personally because I tried to do the right thing and get the item back to the rightful owner." He also added, "I strongly believe that God led me to this GoPro because all that was visible was the tip of the thumb screw and everything else was covered in muck." I mean, regardless of what you believe, isn't it kind of interesting that Richard's camera was also found by someone named Rich? Richard's parents say they haven't actually seen the video that shows Rich's final moments. Gotta admit, that would be pretty hard to watch. As of now, they've only watched happy videos with Richard and his friends. They say they will eventually try to watch their son's final moment, but all they've seen so far is Rich being rich, living life to the fullest. On behalf of IO, our hearts go out to Richard's family and loved ones, and we are thankful that they've been reunited with one of his lost possessions. Tell me your thoughts on this one down there in the comments. For now, I'm going to wrap up this video with some comment features from our video. Ebola has finally been cured. Yay! Lemon Girl said, "What? I clicked on this as soon as I got the notification. Yes!" No need to yell. Brandon Roth said, "I love how Charlotte says she's in a very good mood with a very depressed face." Christopher said, "Cringy jokes are allowed from you. Stay cute." I will. That is it for me, and thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching, check out this playlist and leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in a future IO video.